Walk right there.
I mean, look for brother. You see them call World Fair in a fair time. I hear about that.
Yeah, no, just grab a piece of stick or a piece of sit now and do some work. No need no heap of tool. Run up and down. Yes, man, when just use a natural finger.
So it's a natural vibes.
It's a natural vibe. Yeah, we can, you know? Yeah. It's naturally, you know? You don't have the tool, but it works, still have to done. And done good too.
You can't tell us how to use.
I told me use a natural tool.
Natural tool.
Natural tool. Both the piece I said, the next 15 minutes I can move the surrounding.
Okay.
And look for
Build up the next part. I build up on. Okay.
I think we should give him one more year and a little step up.
But then I'm going to lie down to a black and stuff.
Yeah. No,
Make them lie down.
no, but dig out and little part.
Just scratch it and just make it black and lie down. Make it broad boy so. You see me?
It's
yeah,
true.
Make it broad come down. Man. And then
Give him one more down there.
we put another partition of black.
Yeah. With the black there.
So it's a step. So you guys are gonna build a step.
Yeah, man, yo. That come down straight so. Big one.
No, man, I'm not straight.
No, man.
One you can step up one.
I'm helping them, man, so
Yeah,
that
but no
man.
make me black shit.
No, man. Yeah, pick her in there. Go for some black for me.
No.
Go for some black for me. Please. Wait. So the landscape, you know, what's the thing, you know. Mark here, show you. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, make it say.
No. Run and look it. Yeah. I can make a run, see, mark here, show you. Boom. Nipper. Go back here, boom.
I don't have enough material.
So you put another row of black and stuff.
Yeah, and let me.
You have, like how you would have two board and come down.
Yeah.
So you have them here set. The back, you see it? Come down. You see them put one there. That's a two-step one. But you can roll if you want. Like how you say still. You go watch your dig and make the interior in the Bingii. My vibration is a vibration. I can stay till the things down. I can stay till the things down. It's a vibration Bingii. And a loose gravel in there.
It's full of magic, you know. You can catch a curve already right now, but they're not moving.
You can just dash your material in.
I want it too low. And then step up. Step up.
That's a high step up, though.
As a matter of fact, I don't say I can't carry that up on the flat, pitch it up on the flat.
Because the people them in their church dress and whatnot.
Yeah, two steps for the
Yeah.
ass, you know.
Yeah.
Between your steps, two steps for them. Get it on the flat, then just step up yourself. Come on, so. That's why you should dig down and make this up. Because you have used material to fully back now.
Not stone and potty and
Nice.
Yeah, but fully back, forget it back for this side.
Yes. Thank you guys for tuning in. Natural vibes. Direct from Jamaica. You might wonder what is these blocks for. Yeah, tell the people what the blocks them are for.
Yeah. For do some construction work, you know.
Yeah, what are you building with them?
Yeah, you know, we're gonna make some look of flowers garden with them black here door.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's gonna be like the border for the flowers garden.
Yeah.
Aye. See, so this is Jamaica and this is it. This is how Jamaica up in the woods. This is how we do it in the this part of Jamaica, in the country. See, this is the flowers garden that he put together. Nice. Look at this. And this is the steps he's building right here. Natural, natural. So you're just gonna frame it out?
Yeah.
See, people, he's gonna frame it. You're gonna see the finished product. Sometime this week, the product's gonna finish. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. And turn your notifications on. So every time he drops a video, bang, your phone's gonna notify you. Bang. Yeah, man.
Bang.
Same way. So this is some cement he was mixing up. I don't know where he get the mix up from, but he made it. And that's how he's building the steps. So why do you have to put stuff inside of it now?
Keep it firm up, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, the people want to know. You have to tell the people because your followers in Europe are not going to know what you're doing. Yeah, they're going to want to understand the Jamaican vibes.
Duh.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we just throw some stone in and make and throw some dirt. That's,
Yeah,
you know, move.
that's right. So keep it sturdy.
Yeah.
All right. And then he picks up stone from anywhere and just put it onto the bottom so that way the blocks stay firm. I tell you about Jamaica.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. See, we're here in the countryside. This is St. Anne, in Limon, St. Anne. He's working on a church, trying to make the church look nice and presentable.
Yeah, you know, South of Jamaica, we use the hand do everything, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't have no big tool like down in China.
Yeah, they have more tools in China. Here, you just use your hand and get things done. And find natural stuff. Natural stuff.
Yeah, man. Just pick some leaf off of one tree
Yeah.
and make some tea.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you just take the leaf off the tea and put it in the boiling water?
Off a tree.
Direct?
Yeah, pick some pimento leaf.
Okay.
Yeah, 2 breadfruit leaf.
Oh, you're gonna have to
ackee
show.
leaf.
You're gonna have to show them what breadfruit is or pimento. I don't know if they're really
what I mean.
knowledgeable with that. So on our next video, we're gonna have to show the people them what this is.
Yeah, and what kind of leaf? Cherry leaf tea. Make your life cherry and nice. you
Yeah.
know?
So different leaves do different things to the body.
Exactly.
Oh.
So if you love apple, you drink some apple leaf tree
Okay.
tea.
Yeah.
If you love sugar pine, you make some sugar pine tea.
Okay.
So,
And then
you know,
simple mint. They have mint too. If you want mint tea,
Yeah.
you just drink the mint tea.
Yeah. You know?
And the breadfruit leaf, you could do that something with that?
Yeah, man, that good for your cancer, you know?
Oh,
High blood pressure, you know?
breadfruit leaf.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
And if you're cold, you know, you drink one leaf of pimento leaf, keep your body hot.
Okay.
Yeah.
You hear that, people? This is news. So the next video is going to show you these leaves and show you what they're good for. Natural. You don't need to go to the doctor to get medication and all this thing here. No. Come to Jamaica. Freelance. Come to Jamaica.
Yeah, man. All I leave them, you know? Good pimento tree. Yeah, see there, you know, we just go pick one ripe cause they make ice cream.
So that's a pimento tree.
Yeah. And beside it is a custard tree where we use make our own ice cream, you know?
Oh.
Yeah, so we pick the fruits from this tree and use it make our ice cream.
So that makes ice cream.
Yeah.
Okay. You see that, people? Everything you need is right here. Natural vibes.